Hi, good morning. My name is Franklin Gablinis Tagaan.
I'm John Richie Galinato.
And I'm Alojan Clifford.
And I'm Mark Joseph De Ledo.
Today we will demonstrate
CPR.
Okay.
CPR is an emergency procedure used when a person's heart stops beating or they stop breathing. By giving chest compressions and rescue breaths,
Ben, charger na.
we help keep
Charger na papa.
oxygen flowing to the brain and vital organs until medical help arrives. Knowing CPR can save a life and every second truly matters. So, first,
Sir, are you okay, sir? 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 2012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020.
if, if, if no response, demonstrate to breathe. If no response, continue CPR.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020, 1021, 1022, 1023, 1024, 1025, 1026, 1027, 1028, 1029, 1030.
Baru dapat.
Ini.
Baru human. Baru ako. Ini na play. That's all.
Cardiopulmonary resuscitation or CPR is a life-saving procedure used when a person's breathing or heartbeat has stopped. It involves performing chest compression to manually pump blood to the brain and vital organs. The rescuer may also provide rescue breaths to supply oxygen to the lungs. CPR helps delay brain damage and increase the chance of survival until medical professionals arrive. It is a crucial first aid skills used during emergencies such as cardiac arrest, drowning, or severe injury.
So, that's all, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mana? Pasi na ta.
In every emergency, seconds matter. With CPR, we carry the ability to give someone a second chance. At life, let's stay prepared, stay confident, and be ready to save a life when it counts. So, that's all, sir. Good morning.